What's up guys, it's Dan from Rockville, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the RKB61 keyboard bench. Let's check it out. Alright, it's wrapped in plastic to ensure safety during shipping. Included is a Rockville warranty. Alright, check this out. It's really thick and cushiony. There's the frame on the bottom where you have your quick releases. Let's check out the stand. Alright, it's a cool little sleek design. We got our Rockville logo on there. To adjust the height, you just have to lift up and pull. And then you could tighten it right on the notch here. Alright, and there you have it, the RKB61 keyboard bench. To get your hands on your very own, just click on the links below.